Hey guys, it's Paola and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I thought it would be fun to do a get ready with me. I've never done a video like this, so I do have to admit that I'm all over the place and it was quite hectic. Things were not working. I forgot things in the bathroom. I used different cameras, batteries died, so hopefully it didn't turn out too shabby. What I'm getting ready for is my friend Sarah's bridal shower, and it's actually themed. It's an all-white party, so I have my little white dress and heels on that I'm going to show you guys towards the end of this video. And yeah, it's just going to be a cute girl video where I get ready with you guys. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what kind of stuff you want to see on my channel. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say before we jump into this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get started. Okay, so I showered a little while ago, so my hair's still a bit damp, but I just wanted to show you guys the few steps that I do before like prepping for getting ready and all that stuff. So the first thing I'm going to use is my coconut milk hair serum, which helps for anti-breakage. Do 2 little pumps, and then I just go like that, warm it up a bit, and then I just run it through my hair, and especially on my ends like that. And then I just run it. Okay, the next step I like to do while my hair is still wet is putting some heat protectant to my hair because I will be putting heat on it. So right now I'm using the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. I was gonna say leave-in hairspray, but that didn't make sense. Leave-in spray, it looks like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lock it and then just start spraying, especially on my ends. Okay, so now my hair is a lot fuller because it's dry. So the first thing I like to do is grab a scrunchie, and I'm going to obviously start at the bottom. And I do thin layers because I have a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna whip it up here into a bun. And I'm going to be using my Hot Tools. I believe this is a 2.5 inch. Not sure about that, but I think so. If it is, I'm going to be linking it down below if you guys want to go ahead and try it out. But pretty much the way I like to do my hair is I like to achieve that blow dry style. So because my hair is very long, what this does, it's straight, and then it gives like a little like oomph, I guess. The way I had my hair in my last video, pretty much. I just clamp it, pull it, and then curl. And since my hair is naturally curly, it doesn't take very long for it to, curl. This is what happens. Like, it's straight and then just gives that little like oomph. That's all I do. So, gonna be moving on to the next piece of hair. And since my hair does get frizzy, I just kind of like do that twice. And same thing. So far, this is what we've got. Those like little like regular curls. So I'm just gonna keep doing that to the other half of my head and keep going and work our way up. So by now I've curled a lot of my hair and I only have this much left, but something I wanted to show you guys how I do it. So I start parting my hair like down, 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 and then all the way up, and then when it gets to the top, I start leaving like the back hair like there. Like I don't do the back parts because I get so high to the point where it's just like a thin strip of hair to describe, but because my hair is so long, this is how I do it. I clamp it, and then I put it all the way to the top, to the point where it's just the ends, and then I bring it down. I mean, I don't know how you guys do your hair, for those of you that have long hair, but the longer it gets, the more this is a necessity, because I figured that when I do it from the sides, I don't get that curl and it looks kind of off. It looks like twirled rather than just like a nice wave. So I do that. Letting it go, little sound mix. And then it's like the regular like blowout twist. I see like the struggles of getting ready. Honestly, this is my first get ready with me video, and it's a lot harder than it seems, because you're like trying to curl your hair, but also trying to see if you're getting the shot. And man, now I really understand the struggle of these videos. I love watching them, but it ain't easy. Or at least not to me, not yet. Maybe I just need to get used to it. So as you guys can tell, there's like a little volume going on right now. That's what I like. I like my hair to feel full and very commercial-like. Okay, so another little trick that I do to make sure that my hair looks full is I grab my hairspray, and this is the Chi Helmet Head hairspray, and I got it at Marshall's for $2.99, super cheap. Always check Marshall's for stuff like this. What I do is I put my hair like that, and then lightly I spray my hair, the back of my hair, and then I just like shake it, and then I go like that, and then I spray like right here, and then I go like that, and then spray over here. Make sure you spray lightly, because if you spray like a lot, like you're gonna end up with your hair like that, and you're not gonna be able to do anything. You're not gonna be able to do anything with it because you put too much hairspray. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do for my hair. Also, obviously, if there's pieces that are uncurled, I go over them. Part down the middle, part down the side. As you can tell, I touch my hair a lot. But that's all I do for the hair section, and I'm gonna go do that and then put all my makeup on my table, and we're gonna start glamming. So the first thing I like to do is I like to get my Bare Minerals Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. It looks like this. Just like that. Also, I'm not like a makeup guru or anything like that, so like the way I do my makeup is just the way I've done it. You know, I don't have like killer tricks or anything, but I do want to get better at it. So I think this is a great way to practice. Especially in my chin, I get a lot of like little breakouts, so that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and of course blend all of this out. So after I blend all that concealer, I'm looking very ghostly. I use my Bare Minerals foundation powder. It looks like this. So I'm gonna tap some powder onto a lid, just like that. And using my Bare Minerals angle brush that looks like this, I'm just gonna tap it, blend it, tap, and I'm gonna go over my blemishes. So this is something that I do before I put powder on my whole face. I like to make sure that all the red spots are fully covered and make sure that all of my blemishes are gone and people don't realize that I have pimples. Because isn't that what we all want, pretty much? And now with whatever's left on the top, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques foundation brush, using all the leftover powder, and just blending it onto my skin so that everything is set and blended. Make sure you don't forget your chin, your neck. The next step that I do is my bronzer. So the bronzer that I've been using and loving is my Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. It's the Fair to Light one. It looks like this, and it goes like that. I love it because it looks really natural, especially someone that's I'm very pale, so I don't want to put like really harsh bronzers on me. So what I do, I just suck in my cheeks, and you'll see right now. So to make it natural, I try to do like, go like that, kind of like if I'm hugging my cheeks. And then I start taking it to my temples, just to give my face that warmth. Okay, next thing, I'm going to be grabbing my blush that is MAC. It's called Warm Soul. Looks like this. It's a really pretty, like, I don't know how to describe it, like a bronze, not a bronzy, but a lot of the colors that I use are very warm, not very bright. So just gonna do that. I like to put them in the apple of my cheeks, but I also like to put it on the side just like that for a more dramatic look. I do my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, which is like this. And before I put it all over my face, I do take a smaller brush that looks like this. This is a Morphe brush. And what I do is I grab the powder cap and then I put it under my eyes to set the powder that I placed under my eyes earlier. Same thing on this side. Taking it there, tapping it, and then putting it all over my face. This party that I'm going to be going to is an all-white party. So I'm going to do just a simple smoky eye because I don't want to do too much attention to my eyes since I'm going to be wearing white. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush from Morphe that looks like this and a little one that looks like this. So I'm going to be using my Naked Basics palette, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the Naked 2, which is the lighter brown, which is this one. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. With a bigger angled brush from Morphe as well, I'm going to go ahead and take the darker brown lightly, and I'm going to be adding that in my crease. Just to get that smoky eye. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab a smaller brush that looks like this. It's teeny tiny from Real Techniques. And I'm going to be getting the second dark brown, which is called Faint. And I'm going to be putting it on the bottom. Now for my eyebrows, I have pretty full eyebrows, so I don't really fill them in unless I have them fully plucked. Just going to be putting some clear mascara on my eyebrows to set them, and I'm going to be brushing them up because since I haven't gotten them threaded, they're very full, so I want to have that like messy eyebrow look, if that makes sense. The mascara that I tend to use is my telescopic mascara. It looks like this. This is what I've been using for a while now. So I'm going to go ahead and put mascara. And I'm only going to be doing one light coat. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be putting on are actually my favorite. I've been using these lashes for I think 3 years now, and every time I wear them I get a lot of compliments because they are long, but they also look very natural. So people are always like, I can't tell if they're fake or they're your lashes. I'm like, no, they're my lashes. I mean, they're my lashes. They're fake. I always get the multi-pack. So this is the brand Kiss, and these are in the number 11. So they look like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ardell Lash Grip glue, and I actually am really bad on putting fake eyelashes in camera. I don't think I'll be able to do it. It'll take forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on and then I'll be back. Okay, now I have lashes on and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them out. As you can tell, they don't look like full lashes, but they do look very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my highlighter and the one that I absolutely love, is my Opal highlighter by Becca. Shade is Opal. It's by Becca. So I'm going to be adding highlighter right here using this little Morphe brush. And I'm also going to be adding highlighter on the top of my eyebrows. And then I kind of like connect it. Put it on my nose. And then slightly, very lightly on the bridge. Not too much though. And then I put it on my Cupid's bow. Lips, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Bite Agave mask. And I'm gonna add some to my lips using my finger. Just to make sure my lips are moisturized. And for my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite lipstick. It's by MAC and it's called Modesty. Okay, so I've been using this lipstick since I was in high school and the shade is like this. It's a very nude color. I love it so much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my lips. Like, it's very pink, very cute. Now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead. I feel like I can't talk today. But anyways, now that my makeup is done, I'm going to go ahead and put my all white outfit, and then I'll show you guys in my room mirror what my outfit looks like and how we're gonna go dress to this bridal shower. So like I said, it is an all white bridal shower. So for jewelry, I'm wearing these like little gold earrings, and I'm wearing my Kate Spade gold and silver watch. Then I have a Kate Spade bracelet, a gold bracelet, and then a Alex and Annie with a little Eiffel Tower on it. So it's a mix of gold and silver jewelry. Now for my dress, I have this cute little number that has very nice detail. It's cinched at the waist, then it has a really flowy skirt. And keeping the white theme, I wore my white wedges that I actually showed in my last video. Hey guys, I'm gonna be real with you guys right now. I bought this dress when I was in high school and I wore it to my confirmation, and this dress wasn't as short. It was, I don't know, I think it shrunk, but it wasn't as short. But honestly, I can barely breathe. Yeah, that's the look. And as you can see how long my hair has gotten. It looks so long. Can you guys see that? And I just want you guys to see the type of volume that my hair got from the way I did it. So just like that from the back. And yeah, like I said, if you guys want more volume, add more hairspray, etc. Okay, and we're back. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, like I said in the beginning, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what content you want to see on my channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for lots of pictures, stuff that I've been doing. I also have like different little sections on my Instagram. So I have like an obsession section that I talk about products and books that I've been loving. So make sure to give me a follow on Instagram so you guys can see all of that stuff that I'm posting on there when I'm not posting on my YouTube channel. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.